I hope this video helps somebody that's splitting their own wood or maybe is a little newer at it than I am. I've been doing it for many years. However, I've always muscled the bigger pieces because I didn't have that many giant pieces. This last time I had a load of really big pieces that were 30-inch plus diameter of oak, and they were real heavy. So the best way to do that is to take a wedge and just split them with a sledgehammer into 4 pieces. Most people know this. Of course, I tried to move the splitter to it and do it with the splitter. It was the wrong way to do it. Hopefully this helps somebody. It's common sense. But anyway, hope you enjoy this video, and hope it helps you. Let's see if we can do this. Up one. Nice. Okay, this is a picaroon. They're all different types. I like it. It has an axe handle. I sharpened the tip a little with a grinding wheel so it would stick a little better. Saves me from bending down, leaning over. It's much easier to drag the pieces over. Okay, hope you enjoyed it. Hope it helped somebody. Please, if you haven't yet, subscribe. Don't forget to share. Give me the thumbs up. And I'll see you next time.